Okay. Example 3 asks us to solve the inequality 3x squared minus 19x plus 20 graphically. So we want to graph this function out um, and then use it to answer the remaining parts of our questions. So we've got 3x squared minus 19x plus 20. So this method would be good if you had a calculator and you just wanted to quickly solve one out, or if you had a simple equation, you could just graph it out real fast and check and see what your answers are. So if I'm going to do this without a calculator, what I want to know are a few things. So I want to know what the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts are, and that's going to be all that I need to know, especially for a parabola. Because we know this is going to be a positive parabola. Um, we can quickly identify that since we have it, this is in standard form, so we can think of it just like, 3x squared minus 19x plus 20 equals 0. So I can see here that my y-intercept is going to be 20. So what are the x-intercepts for this graph? Now, for the x-intercepts in this graph, we have to create the equation 3x squared minus 19x plus 20 equals 0. And so I'm going to go ahead and try to factor this to find what my zeros are going to be. So I look at it, I say, okay, well, I've got 3x squared minus 19x plus 20. So I need some numbers to go with 20 and to make negative 19. I think this is going to be a negative 5 and a negative 4. This would make negative 4x. This would make negative 15x, which adds together to make negative 19x. So from here, I've got 3x minus 4 equals 0. X is going to be 4/3. And this is going to be x equals 5, because it comes from x minus 5 equals 0. So I know that one of my zeros is going to be 4/3. And then the other one is going to be 5. So my graph, just a little bit of analyzing, knowing that it's going to be going up, I see that this is my graph here. So the times that it's going to be greater than 0, it's going to be x is less than 4/3, and x is greater than 5. We can see that because before 4/3 we're positive, after 5 we're positive, and we have that. So again, on our number line, we can make, we've got 0, we've got 4/3, and we've got 5. Well, we'll have before 4/3 and after 5. So only in this little tiny range do we actually have any negative numbers or zeros right in the middle. But again, either way works for me and how you want to write it. But this would be how you would solve it graphically.